The March 2022 global surface temperature departure was the fifth highest for March in the 143-year record at 0.95 degrees Celsius above the 20th century average. Are you desperate to escape the heat? As global warming and climatic change are becoming the biggest issues of the day, most of the people are trying to find cooler places with best climate where they can reside or at least take a break. If you are one of them, we are here to help you finding places with cool weather so that you can go there before such places also become overcrowded. Number 10. New Zealand. Do you want van life hashtag for your Instagram post? New Zealand is the perfect place for you. From the crisp days of spring to the burnt orange beauty of autumn, New Zealand is a visitor's paradise. New Zealand's climate is mild and ranges from subtropical in the north to temperate in the south. New Zealand is a place with heavenly Middle-earth beauty. Cascading waterfalls, hot water spring, untamed wilds, clear beaches, and dazzling glaciers. It's just the beginning of its beautiful story. There is a vast network of mountain huts all around New Zealand that make it possible to do multi-day treks. Spending the night in one of the huts across the country is a good way to relax and enjoy weather. You will get a chance to learn about Maori culture. Maori are known around the world for their stunning tattoo designs and a dance called the haka. Visiting Milford Sound is a perfect way to enjoy the weather. Milford Sound has two permanent waterfalls, Lady Bowen Falls and Stirling Falls. Number 9. Canada. Are you afraid of heat strokes? If yes, you can go to Canada where the climate is always favorable and can save you from heat strokes. Not only the pleasant weather, Canada also offers the wide range of activities, including city tours, water sports, hiking, road trips, and more to enjoy. For those into the outdoors, summer is the best time to visit Canada. With the weather at its best, there's a lot of outdoor activities going on, whether it's hiking in the mountains or paddling around a lake. You can go for rafting at the Bow River and Kananaskis River in Alberta, the Ottawa River in Ontario, and the Shubenacadie River in Nova Scotia. Winters are colder here, but can be enjoyed by winter sports like skiing and snowshoeing. Number 8. Iceland. Do you know about a place where daylight hours are considerably reduced, with as little as 4 hours of sunlight in December and January? This happens in Iceland. In Iceland, this can be an advantage as these dark, cold months are the best time to see the northern lights and also the best time to enjoy winter activities like touring the Langjökull Glacier Ice Cave. Summers in Iceland are generally cool but pleasant, with average temperatures ranging from 10 to 14 degrees Celsius on clear days. It allows visitors to enjoy great days of walking in Iceland's nature parks or strolling through the streets of its cities. If you're dying to see the Aurora Borealis or swim in the Blue Lagoon, winter is the best option, while hiking trails and nightlife in Reykjavik are more enjoyable in summer. Number 7. Ireland. Are you a rainbow lover? Do you know there is pot of gold at the end of each rainbow? In Ireland, it is known that a pot of gold waits at the bottom of every rainbow. In summer, rainbow is very common after rain, and all these rainbows make for excellent Instagram pictures, so make sure to have your camera ready to get that pot of gold shot when a rainbow disappears. Ireland experiences a temperate climate due to its proximity to the Atlantic Ocean and the presence of the Gulf Stream. Going on a cave tour in Ireland is really a fun to enjoy its pleasant weather. Some of favorites are the Ailwee Cave, the Marble Arch Caves, and Dunmore Caves. You can enjoy year-round ice skating at Dundonald International Ice Bowl. Ireland is home to some of the most beautiful cities in the world. There's nothing stopping you from grabbing that umbrella and going into one of the cities to explore and grab a bite to eat on a rainy day. Number 6. Norway. There is no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. It is generally said about Norway. It has all 4 seasons and pleasant weather all year round. Summer is the perfect season to experience a wide range of activities and explore Norway's great outdoors. You want to experience the true midnight sun? You need to travel to northern Norway. The further north you go, the more nights of midnight sun you get. There are plenty of cool things to do with the extra hours. Go kayaking, hiking, or fishing in the middle of the night, or visit one of the top places to experience the phenomenon in all its glory. Norway has a rich boating life. Wintertime is fun time. Although the days are shorter, you can go skiing or try many other fun outdoor activities. In the Arctic, whale safari and northern lights adventures await. The Viking season gives you an opportunity to experience the fjords without the crowds. Number 5. Finland. Snow and cold mist are the first thoughts to many when talk about Finland. but the weather in Finland is generally very pleasant. It is called the true home of Santa Claus, the country of 1,000 lakes and islands, the best Northern Lights destination, and so on and so forth for one reason. Finland has amazing weather through its summer as well as winter. The spring season in Finland sees melting of winter snow and a hot sun. This is a good time for a visit to enjoy the nature, treks, outdoor activities, and cities of Finland. Picnics by lakes, fishing, swimming, sunbathing, grilling barbecues, and escaping away to holiday cottages are done in summers. Winters in Finland are famed for many things, but not as highly as the Northern Lights. You can enjoy sledding, snowmobile safari, ice fishing, and campfires. Number 4. Sweden. The magic of nature is one of the many reasons that makes a winter holiday in Sweden so appealing to many. Sweden sees a mild temperate climate and is welcoming to tourists in almost all weather. The snow-capped peaks are open for sledging and skiing and skating half the year, while coasts are welcoming through the other half. Summer is the best time to tour the national parks and forests of Sweden. The winter wonderland that Sweden becomes during the months of December to April promises many surprises for the nature and adventure lovers. The snow-carpeted landscapes, the frozen lakes, rivers and waterfalls, the dense forests, everything appeals to the romantic in you. Among the wonderful activities in Sweden, there is an exciting opportunity to catch an adventurous train journey, the Polar Express train ride, Arctic Circle train journey, etc. Number 3. Denmark. If you have yet to visit Denmark, you will realize that there is a lot to love about it. From its rich heritage and culture to its stunning landmarks and scenery, one would be convinced that Denmark is one of the most amazing places on Earth. And yet, not a lot of people know that one of the very reasons why people love to visit and would love to live in Denmark is its charming weather. It makes the country even more lovable. Its pleasant weather allows you to go out and enjoy the natural scenery. Throughout fall and into the winter, people love to go out and dine in restaurants with a lap blanket to keep them warm. And when the season becomes a bit warm, as if to welcome the spring, take their bags and stay in parks, have picnics, bathe in beaches, and enjoy a tour around the city museums. Its weather is making it an even more comforting country to come and visit. Perhaps you may even consider living there for good. Number 2. Austria. Austria is famous as one of the topmost destinations for its twinkling night markets and has a fairy tale-like feeling during the festive season. Austria is a landlocked European country and sees temperate climate, which means bitter cold winters and mild summers, where the temperature hardly rises above 25 degrees Celsius. Summer is also the peak of rains and makes for the wettest season with sudden bursts of showers and gusts of winds. In winter, snow cover engulfs all the land and hills and lakes, bringing Austria out of the summery shine and into a winter wonderland. There are periodic rain showers in the valleys in winters. The ski resorts are also a great place as people flock up the mountains to enjoy various sports. Number 1. Switzerland. Are you tired of bearing the scorching heat? Go to Switzerland, where weather is pleasant all year round and allows you to enjoy nature. In summer's temperature usually remains within the range of 18 degrees Celsius. This is also a great time of year to explore the various hiking trails, cities, and Swiss festivals. Thunderstorms and heavy rain showers are expected in summer season. With skiing and other popular winter sports abound, winter is the season when Switzerland really shines. In Switzerland, there is much more to do in the snow than just skiing. If the weather is clear, for instance, you can always hop on a train or cable car into the mountains to enjoy spectacular views. On a snowy day, you can also search for the nearest toboggan run. If you prefer hiking, however, there are a few winter trails that are maintained and safe for year-round use. Please share your views about this video in the comment section. Do hit the notification bell for more interesting videos from around the world. We at Find Travel carry out a lot of research and talk to officials, residents, and travel guides to give you information that is true and accurate to help you find the best locations in the world where you can settle or visit. We are committed to providing you with the best possible information about pros and cons of different places around the world, so you can make an informed and sensible choice about where to reside or settle. Thanks for watching. Eat, sleep, travel, and stay calm.